Want to let your friends know when you're online on TikTok? There's a feature for that, and it's super easy to control. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable your activity status on TikTok. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Activity Status. Here you'll see different options to control who can see when you're online. You can choose to make your activity status public, visible to friends only, or turn it off completely by selecting No One. Keep in mind, if you turn off your activity status, you won't be able to see other users' activity status unless they've made theirs public. If you choose the Friends option, you'll only see when people you follow and who follow you back are online, as long as they've enabled this feature too. And that's it. That's how you enable or disable activity status on TikTok. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials on our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.